So imagine this. Imagine a robot exploring underwater caves. Imagine a robot climbing through lava looking for survivors after an earthquake. Or imagine a robot breaking through a wall to save someone to help the police. Imagine what robots can do. Look. First of all, I think you should know the parts to a robot. Almost every robot has a sensor system, a computer, a power source, and a motor. So now how a robot goes forward or moves. How a snake bot goes forward. So first the computer sends signals to each of the segments telling it to curve in whatever direction it is told to. The segments push it forward. It moves like a real snake in these four methods: sidewinding, caterpillar, serpentine, concertia. How Mars rover can tell what the world is like around them. It is equipped with sensors to tell what the world is like around them, and then in the computer it pieces together a map and then chooses the smoothest path. Now, what robots can be programmed to do? Robots can explore the world around them, go into a building and clear out bombs that might be there. A robot could be programmed to climb something, like NASA's robot Odie has been programmed to climb upstairs. Robots can be programmed to work in assembly lines. Now, how robots affect us? Some of us it might affect us in small ways, or some of us it might affect in larger ways. Some ways it could possibly affect us that are smaller, or you might just get a driverless car, or a toy robot to have fun with. Or it could just be robotics might just be a hobby of yours. Or it could be your job to make and improve these robots. Some big ways it could affect you is you might have had to have an arm or leg amputated, or you could have been born without one. Robotic arm could help you, and you'd be able to do a lot of things you couldn't normally do. Also, in China, kids are forced to work in factories and do labor. Instead, they could use robotic arms. This could stop child slavery, or this could affect lots of children's lives.